An MBN guy, minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, jobs. Bigyan kita ng pagkakataon na may masisilungan. I wanted to give back dignity to every Filipino family. And I think house is one of those primary.
What do you miss about being me?
One, lahat ng pangarap ko sa tao, nagawa ko. Lahat ng gusto ko sa mahirap, lahat ng gusto ko na maramdaman ng middle class and upper middle class, lahat ng pangarap ko maramdaman ng mayaman, kung paano tatakbo ang gobyerno at ang gobyerno na pwede nilang masandalan at gobyernong mararamdaman nila, especially in challenging times. Pinilit kong gampanan at gawin. Kaya halos wala akong na-miss. Knowing me, I'll do random checks. Iikot ako, dadrive ako mag-isa-isa. Katla ako sa Manila, I went to the emergency of the bagong hospital. I think this, modesty aside, this will be you'll see in the Philippines now, this is the biggest emergency room that you can see. It's a fully air-conditioned emergency room. Fully embedded system. The oxygen, the suction. Well-designed emergency room. I was there. Nakanyangga lang ako doon sa hallway. Nakaka-goosebump.
Yeah, nakaka-goosebumps.
At saka more happy kasi nakita ko yung mga pasyente. Nakakumot. And I've seen the worst of public hospital in terms of experience. Yung mukha, yung aburido. Yan. Aburido. Pero I was there. Yeah, they're in pain pero there is a level of comfort. Masarap. Yung kahit mahirap ka, masarap yung pakiramdam na kapag alam mo may gobyerno kang masasandalan sa oras ng pangangailangan. The goal is to have the best. That's the goal. So when you build it, you thought na-achieve mo na yung best. But when it's being used, doon mo pala mapipil yung best. Ang pangarap ko sa tao, yung kahit sa huling sandali niya, of all the hardship, lahat ng hirap sa buhay niya, kahit sa huling sandali niya, nakatikim siya ng tunay na kalinga ng gobyerno.